Yeah, I just realized a lot of people that haven't been able to come here during the pandemic, they might not have ever seen these skywalks here. And you might have seen it in my videos, of course. So this ends here at the entrance of the Sofitel. Good afternoon. I'm here at the Asok Junction. You can hear the wind is blowing quite hard here. It makes it look like it's really storming, but it's just a normal rainy day. It's still raining season, and the raining season unfortunately hinders me a little bit on the type of videos that I want to make. It doesn't make sense to go out driving my bicycle. I decided to do a simple walk around that I used to do before. So let's go and walk the skywalk in the direction of the 10th Avenue and give you a bit of an idea how the city looks at the moment. And I hope soon I will be on my bike in the sun again. I will see you at the skywalk. I'm here in the skywalk in Asok. Let's have an update how the rain looks from the skywalk when you're protected. Yeah, this part of Asok Junction always gets flooded very quickly. This is a plot of land here on the corner that's been empty for how long I know. I don't know what the story is behind it, but it's quite remarkable that it hasn't been prepared for construction yet. Maroon 5 is coming to Bangkok again. Before COVID, they were coming here every year. And they are playing in Raja Mangala on the 10th of December. Not really my type of music, but I think Mirella wouldn't mind going there. It's always nice to see the motorcycles start running. So let's just walk the skywalk in the direction of Nana. Yeah, I haven't given an update regarding the skywalk here for a very long time. So let's take a walk, see how it looks now. I think the last time I was here was in the middle of the pandemic. There were not so many people. And this is always the aftermath of the rain. Long rows of traffic everywhere. I have to be honest, it's also Friday afternoon, so this is rush hour anyway. So this on the corner here is still under construction, and these are going to be shops. And this here is a plot of land at the beginning of Sukhumvit 12. A lot of vegetation here, so this has been waiting for a long time. The trees already grew. I remember in this area there was a very nice restaurant area with a Mexican place, the Sunrise Tacos, and in the back there was, I think it was V8 or Q8, and there was a club there, Insanity. But it's been empty for a very long time, so I don't know when any construction is going to happen here. So here you have the Koreatown. In the evening this is nice. It's all a lot of lighting. There are a lot of Korean restaurants in here. If you want Korean barbecue, then come to this one. It's in the beginning of Sukhumvit 12. Yeah, I just realized a lot of people that haven't been able to come here during the pandemic, they might not have ever seen these skywalks here. And you might have seen it in my videos, of course. So this ends here at the entrance of the Sofitel. And this is across the street from the new construction of 10th Avenue. And you see the Davis, so this is going to be a hotel, a Davis hotel, and also offices and residences. So it's going to be an interesting shared purpose building. Yeah, I don't need my umbrella anymore. Happy for that. Yeah, this is almost like a live stream now. So I will end it here in front of the picture of the 10th Avenue. I just want to give you an update how this one is going to look. And this is going to be around the corner. This used to be the Chupit Garden. and you used to have a very popular night market here, and this was the entrance. So I hope you enjoyed this update regarding my walk in the rain here between Nana and Asok. If you did, feel free to subscribe, drop me a line, and see you guys in my next video.